Hello friends, welcome to the videos. Today I'm going to show that is the break. Oh my god. This making episode Capcat record the videos. Open CapCut, get a new project, select video, add video to the jumping time, the first images, click in the latest jumping times, click in the phrases and the overlays. Rotate the videos to colors. Me like the videos keyframes, make in the rotate the videos to colors and the remove bug. Hey, not make a sense. And the customizes, click in the brushes to the brush. Hey, use house. Brush sizes to one sizes and the make I recommended this video to land effects the superheroes. Wow, perfect. The keyframes to rotate the escape to comes to land effects. Just like plus icon is click in the these effects searches to YouTube 3D portal green screens make this chroma key in the rotate the videos to equal. Process the videos to equals. The first time run is click the in this time run is click run is time click speed is click and motion blur is blade. This effect is I do it. This effect is makes the videos highly recommended these videos to see. Don't forget check these videos. These videos from generated 3 superhero effects. First flashing, second superhero, third I don't know this effects superhero name. Double click and the overlay. B-roll is click and the remove background is click. A to focus is click and the split click. The first videos to click and the superpowers click. These effects I make do it. And I make masking to hand and in this from the personality. Yes. The colors change. This effect is clicking the colors to the change. I make the red colors and the right. And the A effect is from translate effects or A effects make sound effects from the search Capcat bar. The sounds of exploration, the first superhero land effects, the flash runs research this, the sound of passing something hook and the mic. The third effect sounds search bar go. The sounds of reflash, magic, smoke, and the mic. Third, the A sounds, the sounds of the superhero electric power A. And finally export. Where are you going? Wow. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Subscribe to my channel.